Hello students, today we are taking the new lesson of history 7th, and in the previous period I have already taught you about the importance of sport, types of sports, globalization of sports, game material and toys also. So we are taking again that point, globalization of sports. The field of sports in the 20 and 21st century was naturally influenced by process of globalization. International matches of various sports like cricket, football, lawn tennis can be watched on the television in any corner of the world. Thus, citizens of the non participant countries can also enjoy these matches. For instance, the World Cup winning match played by Indian cricketer was watched by cricket fans all over the world, and sports fans scattered all over the world have significantly affected the entire structure of sports economy. Fans watch the matches for entertainment. Industrial commercial companies look at it as a good opportunity to advertise their wear, and retired sportsmen also have an opportunity to participate as a commentator. So in this way, the sports also become the globalization, means non-participant also can take the part in that cricket player also. And some commercial companies look at it as a good opportunity to advertise their wear, and also the retired sportsmen also have an opportunity to participate as a commentators. Now come to the point, game material and the toys. See that the means and equipment for entertainment and education of children are called toys. Clay toys have been found in archaeological excavation. In the ancient period, we have seen the archaeological excavation. In archaeological excavation, uh, many historians found that the clay toys that have been the clay toys have been found in the excavation, and these toys were fashioned either by the hands or by using the molds. Dolls are mentioned in the ancient Indian literature. A Sanskrit play by Shudraka is made as Mrichakatika. It means a clay art. Now come to the point, toys and history. Toys can be throw light on the history, technological development. We can also get a glimpse of religious and cultural tradition through them. As a part of traditional Diwali celebration in Maharashtra, model forts are made. Clay images of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his soldiers, and also people and animals, are placed on these model forts, and this tradition keeps the memory alive of the important role of forts in the history of Maharashtra. An ivory doll made by Indian craftsmen was found in the excavation of Pompeii and ancient in Italy. It is dated to 1st century CE. This artifact throws light on Indo-Roman trade relation. These toys found in archaeological excavation can tell us that cultural contact between nations in ancient times. Now see that sports, literature and movies on sports. Publishing of books and encyclopedia of sport is a newly developing enterprise, and the history of Malakam has been recently published. There is an encyclopedia on the subject of exercise. Some years ago, there was a sports magazine named Satkar. Means this is an ample literature available in English on the sport. Some television channels are exclusively devoted to the sports. We have seen that many of the channels specially uh, made for only the sports, and the encyclopedia of sport also published many books. Recently, some movies on the sports and biography of players have been released in various languages. For instance, the film Mary Kom and Dangal, that is the film made on the sports film, that Mary Kom and the Dangal. Mary Kom is the first Indian female boxer to participate in the Olympics and to win a bronze medal. Dangal is also based on the life story of Fogart's sister, who were the first Indian female wrestler to win the gold medals or various international competitions. So these films are based on the sports. Okay. Now see that the process of making a movie require keep study of the particular period of the movie's story, language, dressing style, social life, etc. When anyone make the film or movie, then for that they have to get the information, they have the deep knowledge. After that they can make the movies, means they need the language, dressing style, social life of that story. Students of history are well trained to do the research of this kind. Knowledge of history of sports is also essential for writing articles in various publications like encyclopedia, newspaper, sports magazine, etc. Okay, now see that sports and professional opportunity. So in the sports also we can get the opportunity of job, means professional opportunity we can get from that sports. Although sports and history appear to be distant subject, there is a close tie between them. Student of history can find many opportunity in the field of sports journalism. One need to resort to history in order to write the article revives about the sport event like Olympics or Asiad or national and international matches. Now, expert commentators are in demand during the sports matches. We have seen that match create entertain, means enjoying because of the commentators also. So expert commentators are in demand during the sports matches. An expert commentator need to have a good knowledge of history, statistic, previous records, eminent players, historical anecdotes, etc. related to the concerned game. Knowledge of history is useful for them. Matches of various sports like cricket, football, kabaddi, chess, etc. are shown live on the television on the various channels. The role of professionals who track and keep the record of these telecasts from various channels has become very important now. The sports channel continue telecasting round the clock. There are many professional opportunity available in this field. Okay. Now see that referee. Referees are an essential factor of the sports matches. We have seen that in the cricket, in the football also, and in the kabaddi also. We saw the referees. That referees are an essential factor of the sports matches. Trained referees are required to pass the qualifying examination. Qualified referees can work at district, state, national and international levels. Government and private sector are trying to promote the sports. There are a scholarship offered to sports person. There are resort seat for them in the government and private establishment. So I hope that you have understand this lesson. Before that you have to read from that page number given 51. Do you know that is Bal J. Pandit was the first Indian cricketer to pioneer the cricket commentary. People used to listen very eagerly to his broadcast from the Akashvani, and his well-studied commentaries were full of information about the history of playground, career history of the players, anecdotes about the games, and establish the record of the game, and his commentaries used to be entertaining because of these historical details. So I hope that you have understand this lesson. Once again read that lesson and took out the self point depend on that lesson and complete that exercise.